Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we put up a little bit of demo vapor barrier and foam board using two types of methods. Number one is the Hilti brand DX5 and GX3 to put up the foam board and vapor barrier, and we also used our Craftsman hammer drill to put up foam board and vapor barrier. One is a lot slower than the other. Can you guess which one? Stay tuned. One of the things you want to make sure of is not to drill into the grout line, because that can hinder your drilling. So if you look at the grout line here, should be there, and then this grout line, so I want to drill somewhere in the middle. If you ever move the foam board, you've lost it. So make sure that you keep everything steady. And I'm glad I'm dropping things because it shows what really is going to happen in a crawl space. All right. So you're trying to find yeah, thank you. I need that. We're using our washer to give it a surface area. So your foam board, it's pretty steady. It's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna come loose, right? So let's try it with the Hilti. Okay. There's one. There's two. Now I'm a little out of practice. That should have went in further. The Ninjas probably would have gotten it in further, but anyway, even with it not even in all the way, it's not coming loose. All right. So anyway, that's putting up foam board. Now let's put up some vapor barrier. So if you're looking to do this project yourself, we're going to have some tape measures available online, but also this little guy here, this straight line chalk. That way what you can do is you can measure your 3-inch or your 6-inch termite gap. Okay, so for a 3-inch termite gap, we put the foam board at this grout line on the cinder block. So we'd measure here, and then we could just like snap a line, so that way it makes it easier for you as the DIYer to make sure that your vapor barrier goes up even. Now the Ninjas, I mean, they got 2 to 3 guys down there, so they're just, you know, they snap a line and then they hold it and all that kind of stuff. We're also going to put up some butyl tape, and we'll show you how to do that. And again, for DIYers, the butyl tape is really good because it helps hold the vapor barrier up so that you can do what you got to do at your own pace. One of the things about the butyl tape is it's very, very sensitive to temperature, okay? So if it's cold outside, which it's pretty cold outside right now, we're in November, you wanna make sure you keep this in a warm room before you start using it. And the other thing is you've gotta watch out for any kind of cinder block or concrete treatment. If they put anything inside the concrete to make it set faster, whether it was when the blocks were being made, or maybe you bought some kind of cinder block spray to put on it, or paint or anything like that, that's going to affect how well this sticks, okay? So don't just use this as the only way to hold up the vapor barrier. Use this as a tool to help you put in either the Christmas tree fasteners or the GX3 pins as part of the vapor barrier, as I'm going to show you right here. A little brush to clean everything up. Just want to give the tape as good of a surface as possible to stick to. Like I said, it is pretty chilly out, so hopefully this will stick very, very well. Let's see, let's do. The other thing, it'll stick on the sides. So if you lay it down on something, make sure you don't lay it down on dirt, okay? Put it on like maybe a piece of plastic or something like that, because it will stick. You can take your vapor barrier, couple of Christmas tree fasteners first. Let's see how long this takes. Then you just put the washer on the end. Just like that. So that way it gives it a surface area whenever you shoot it into the block. That was a little faster. Let's do it again.